it's almost 7 a.m. Definitely the roughest start to an Adobe stream because I could not fall asleep last night. It was past 2 when I fell asleep, so let's just assume I slept from 2 to 6. That's 4 hours. So I just woke up just not feeling right. Like my stomach felt weird and my like chest felt weird, you know, when you just don't sleep enough. I'm just like, help me. The stream starts in about 5 minutes. I'm basically ready to go. I'm usually like mowing down food to the last minute, like scarfing it down so I can be finished my food before the stream starts, but I'm actually done this time. Woohoo. And I decided to get myself a peppermint mocha. It's kind of the joys of those like self-serve kiosks at McDonald's. I was just gonna get a black coffee, and then I'm like, specialty drinks. I'm like looking through the list and I was like, peppermint mocha it is. I just feel like a black coffee might not be the best based on how my stomach's feeling, so I was like, okay, let's get something not so harsh. I mean, creamy drinks can be harsh in other ways, but oof, coffee can upset my stomach, especially in the morning, and that's when I need it. It's like a curse. I think they went a little overboard with the peppermint. This kind of just tastes like chemicals. Okay, it's 11 o'clock and the stream is over. Here's progress. Made really good progress with the hair and added more shading to the face. Now that I have this strand here, I could add a little bit of shading along that strand, maybe just a touch that thins out. I'm really loving the hair, and this is just kind of a first pass. I want to go in and add more details, and actually the first pass is not quite done. I need to finish this braid and then the first pass is done, and then I can add a few highlights here and there and just kind of a bit more detail to it. And yeah, Kiki's sad. I just kicked her out for the last bit of the live stream because it was like the final 10 minutes and she decided she's gonna show up and try to crawl all over the painting, and I was like, no. Hey baby, you poor little turd. Anyway, I need to edit yesterday's vlog because I have not done that yet, and I need to shovel the sidewalk outside, so I think I'm gonna do the shoveling first. And then, oh, you know, there's kind of like a line there. Do you see that light line? I don't like that. I'll have to try to fix that. Do you see that? There's like a pale line right there in the middle of her nose. Sometimes you can't really see how it's going to turn out when it's still wet, and you don't see everything till it's dry. So put that here so babes don't crawl on it. And I'm going to go shovel with my baby shovel. This came in the mail yesterday. So now I can shovel. I don't want a big one because it hardly snows here, and I don't really want to have like this giant shovel taking up space in the house. So this is kind of one that's meant to be in your car because it's collapsible, and it also has an attachment for a brush and a scraper. Woohoo! So versatile, and it comes with a baggie. But that should do the trick for our sidewalk in front of the house and the sidewalk leading up to the door. Really? Really, Kiki? Yeah, it's a little bit too tight. Yes, a little bit. Booyah! Look at my baby shovel, Kiki. Came back from shoveling. That was a bit of a workout. It took a while because the thing with snow is you're supposed to shovel it as soon as possible because it gets icy underneath and makes it harder to shovel. Especially here in Vancouver where the temperature is so warm, it easily turns to slush and then freezes, which makes it ice. So it was a wee bit icy, but it's so warm out there, it's ridiculous. Like, I'm sweating. I put on my light jacket over this and I'm sweating, and my hands didn't even get a little bit cold. Like, I'm touching my bare stomach, does like a test, you know, and my hand feels warm, not even like slightly cold. I'm like, how is it this warm out and the snow is not melting? It's an anomaly. Vancouver, you're weird. The Weather Network says it's +1, but it feels way warmer than that. Ooh, special weather statement. More snow on the way for South Coast and Vancouver Island. An intense Pacific storm will reach the South Coast on Thursday. With cold Arctic air entrenched, the storm will likely bring significant snowfall to the South Coast. More snow? What is this? This is exciting. This is the most snow I've ever seen here in Vancouver. Made some adjustments to the hair, and now I'm going to set this aside until next week. You can chill right there. So I'm checking some YouTube comments on yesterday's vlog, and the most recent comment says, "Do your twins live with you?" And at first I was like, what? What does this person mean? Do my twins live with me? And then I was like, wait a minute, they must have seen the 10-month baby update that I did for Kiki and Midna. They mustn't have watched to the end. Oh goodness. So I'm editing that Halo toy video, and it's so funny because I was trying to drive the car across this platform and it fell off the edge and it actually hit the camera, so there's a bit of camera shake, which makes it hilarious. It just so happens to be timed so that's at the end of one of the songs, and so this is what it's like. Hold on. It's so dramatic. Oh, that's good. This YouTube survey was recommended to me at the top of my YouTube dashboard, so I'm taking it, and it just makes me think of all the stink creators have been raising lately, particularly towards the trending tab. I feel like there's a handful of things that have been complained about, but this is definitely one of them. Thinking about how YouTube communicates and supports creators, how strongly do you agree or disagree with each of the following statements? YouTube gives timely updates on changes that could impact me. YouTube offers transparent communication. You're right! It takes like a week of high-profile YouTubers complaining before YouTube releases a statement, and it's always generic and unhelpful and always dismisses the issue.
Hello? I hear wee little noises. Hey, wee wee. Come here, you. Oh my, oh my.
That last page was basically an exam. It was like, which of these are true about YouTube Red? And you have to do like a true or false thing. I'm like, are you quizzing me or is this a survey? They probably just want to know how much creators know about YouTube Red. So I was just doing a bit of research on a character I want to draw for a Secret Santa piece of art. And so I think I know the character I want to do. I'm just trying to decide if I want to add an additional character or just the one, and how I want it to look. How big do I want it to be? I don't know any of the decisions, and it's really hard to keep my eyes open right now. I just want to go to sleep. I think I really, really need a nap. But I'm scared if I go to sleep, I'll just be out for the rest of the day. I only had 4 hours of sleep last night, so I'm a little tired. Plus, waking up early, I just get tired earlier in the day, so there's that too. Oh my God. So I slept for, I think, almost 2 hours. I don't really know exactly when I fell asleep, because I definitely did not fall asleep immediately, even though I felt so exhausted, but it's not enough. No, I just feel like I need to go to bed for the night, like I knew I would. My forearms are also really in pain, like even just holding my phone hurts. I don't know if it's from like drawing and computer use or if it's more of like just kind of strain on my forearms because I have the weakest forearms in my life, and like lifting heavy things can make my arms hurt for like weeks because I basically injure them and then re-injure them, and it's like never-ending arm pain. I think that's what I'm in right now, because it kind of started with hauling around Christmas gifts around the mall, but then I felt fine, and I think the shoveling today aggravated it because I was shoveling all that ice and like really digging at the ground and stuff. I don't know. Could be a combination of that and just like strain, because my left wrist has just been bad this past week from drawing. Whatever. I feel like I just don't want to move my arms at all. Like, even this camera, it's like sitting on the bed. I'm not actually holding it up. Part of me is like, no, I need my Secret Santa shipped out like ASAP, but I'll just pay for express shipping. Because I'm not gonna have time to do it tomorrow, because I gotta finish Moana. I have to do all the coloring, and then I have to edit that video and get it up, so.
It's time for the SpongeBob joke of the day. SpongeBob, tell me the joke about the butter. No, you'd only spread it around. Then tell me the one about the egg. Oh, that one will crack you up. Did I tell you the one about the banana peel? No, it must have slipped my mind.
Sandy, why? This apple is so old. It's like this one lone apple that we've had forever. It still tastes okay, but... Now I'm just in this torn state where I could stay up if I tried. But I think I'm just gonna go back to bed. So I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth and go to sleep. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Brother Bear, I let you down. You trusted me, believed in me, and I let you down. Of all the things I hid from you, I cannot hide the shame. And I pray someone, something will come to take away the pain. Working on the tats here. It's pretty intense, man. It's driving me crazy. But I feel like it'll be more fun when I'm actually inking it, but just sketching it drives me crazy. But we're getting close. We're getting close, people. It is currently 7:41, so you know it's gonna be a long night. I don't know if I'll finish it, but I want to